Number Bosses. My friend Theo isn't here today, so today I'm going to be doing a loom band tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make this band. I don't know what it's called, with an extension on the end as well. Okay, let's get started. You will need one loom, it doesn't matter what loom you have, and three, any amount of bands, and then you can add more if you like. 3 different colours of bands. I'm going to do pink, blue and yellow today. Yellow. Okay, that's all you need. And, you need a hook as well. Any type of hook. I got a plastic hook today. Okay, let's get started then. With your front hook facing you, and you get your first colour, and you place it all the way at one side. So 1, 2. You keep going all the way up until you reach right to the end. Okay, couple more. Nearly done, guys. You can pause the video if you can't catch up with me, but if you're an expert, you might be able to catch up. Now you go to the other side, you do exactly the same all the way up. So 1, 2, 3. Keep going all the way up right until the end like this. And just a couple more. Like I said, you can pause the video if you really would like to. Right now we need to do the middle, don't we? I nearly forgot then. Then get your next colour. I will use blue, I think. So get your next colour. You place them exactly the same as the other sides. You place it down the middle instead. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll do one more. And then you have to go all the way out, just like the other ones. Easy as pie. Done? Well, not done, obviously, because that doesn't look really like a band, does it? Okay, so now you need your your third colour. Then you will twist it all the way around like that, and then this is where it changes a bit. You hook it around these 3 pegs here at the bottom. So you turn it around and you put it on these 3 pegs and keep going up nearly till the top. You leave the last 3 out. So when you get all the way up there, you leave this one, and this one. These 3 out. Okay. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And then this one again. This again. Yeah. This bit. Again. Keep going and miss the last 3 out. So now we will do some of the twisting. Okay, and I've left the last 3 out, if you can see. Yeah. So now, start from the start. We'll start the right first, and then you go behind the yellow one, and then you grab the pink. Go up and over to the second one. Right, so you go behind the yellow, grab the pink, up and over, onto the yellow, grab the pink, up and over. Right, and you keep, and you keep doing that right until the end, so that's that done, and after it's done it should look a bit like that. That bit looks a bit complicated there. So then we're going to go to the other side and do exactly the same all the way up. So go behind the yellow, grab the pink, bring it up and over. We can't unhook it. Behind the yellow, no. grab the pink, up and over. Nice. I'm going to do that all the way exactly the same. At the top, and once it's done, it should look a bit like this. Then that should be a wide gap right at the end. So we're still going to do this, now we're going to do the middle. So we grab the first one, bring it over everything and put it down. Grab the second one, bring it over everything, put it over. Grab the blue one, bring it over everything and put it on. Grab it again, put it over everything and put it on. There we go. And do that all the way exactly the same, like this. All done. Nearly done. Okay, so now we go right to the end, I think. Yes, we do go right to the end. Okay, we push that down a bit. So we take this. It's probably best to do it with your fingers, not your hook. You take it all off and you put it on the one up here. Yeah, like that. See it? And then you take the other one as well. Take them all the bands off and put them up here. Take your hook, wedge it in there, through that, like that, or through all of them. Then you take a band, yeah, put it on top, on your hook. Then you pull it up, and you've got to try and get it through without hooking onto the other things. This bit's quite tricky, I find. Oh, okay, done it. Yeah, so it should look like that now. Then you push that through there like that. Should look like that. Then you push it through, and that should be like that. It's wrapped around it. Now you should take a S-clip. Sorry, I forgot to mention that you have to have an S-clip. Yeah, or a C-clip. It doesn't really matter. Then you put it on the end bit if you can. Both of them together on the hook. Slide it through, and then you've got your S-clip attached. So now you can take it all off. There you have your bracelet. Now we're going to make an extension for it. So you need your loom for the extension. You can make it whatever colour you want. And basically going to make the single band in loom band. Now we're going to, you need about 6 or 7. If you've got a bit smaller wrist, you'll use 6. If you've got a bigger wrist, you'll use 7. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. I got quite a big wrist. And 7. Then in the end, you get this bit that should be on the end. You put it over that, so it looks like that. Look, there we go. We're going to do the twisting it. So you go through there, you grab this one up. It's the only one that's down there, so it should be quite simple. Grab that and then you keep doing it all the way down. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's probably the easiest bit of the band. You just hook it all the way down, keep going down right until the end. So you can keep going. Keep going. Right, so now you've got a bit left. You can you've got to do the last one. Sorry. Right, now there should be 2 loops on it. You take them off. You take the whole thing off and you've got to slip your hook through that. So it stays like that. And then you take it all off. There. Now you've made your extension. But now you've got to slide 2 of your fingers through there. So it's like that on your fingers, the end. And then you get this clip. Either an S clip or a C clip. That's already on there, should be. and you clip it together. Now you've got your full band. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you liked this video, and leave a comment down below. Thanks, and we might be making more Loom band tutorials. Goodbye.